These new Shockwave bits, they hold up to the tool, they hold up to the job. Other bits, I've bought 10 packs that haven't lasted 30 days.
Inferior bits tend to strip out screw heads. With the Shockwave bit, we didn't have any bits or any screw heads stripping out, and it was just a smooth transition in and out.
I use several different types of screws. It's fit very well, from drywall screws to a number 10 to a number 8 thread. And it's fit and driven, every one of them, without slippage, without the coning that you get out of a lot of the tips. Just a tough bit.
The Shockwave bits hold the screws really well. Even when you're not perpendicular to the screw, it still has a good grab on it. It doesn't strip out heads very easily.
A normal bit, a little bit of a wobble. When I was using the Shockwave bit, there was zero wobbling, so I feel safe with it.
Well, the Shockwave had the screw fit like a glove. Not only does it help me go faster, I could pay more attention to the quality, especially on trim. If you have a bad bit, it's going to scratch the screws that have paint on them.
If we can have a better bit, it lasts longer. I get better production out of that.
On any given day, I put probably 500 screws in. With the Shockwave, I feel that I'd add 25% productivity.
They are extremely durable, they last, they work phenomenal. I'd use them every day of my life if I could.